Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to do our indomie. Yes, our delicious yummy indomie. So first of all, I added my sausage, egg, canned beef and my onions, and I stirred it for it to fry very well. Yes, this is it. So I have here my carrots, my cabbage, yes, and some spring onions. So I went ahead and placed the rest of the vegetables into the mixture that I've made already. So this is my spring onion also. Yeah, so I added all together and I stirred it very well for it to cook. So from here, I'll stir it for it to mix completely, then I'll cover it for a while for it to cook well. So after it cooking for a while, I added my powdered pepper. Yes, this is it. So I stirred it for it to also mix into the mixture as well. So after this mixture was mixed and stirred very well, I went ahead and added my indomie. Yeah, my cooked indomie. I placed water on fire, and when it boiled, I placed in the indomie. So for like 3 or 2 minutes, I took it off and I strained it in a strainer. Yes, this is it. So the water is off from it completely. So I went ahead and added it into my veggies on fire and I stirred it very well. Yes, so this is it. I'm mixing it for everything to be equalized in mixing. So after this was mixed very nicely, I went ahead and added my spices here. This was in the indomie. If you add this, it's going to taste very nice here. So I added it, as you can see, and I gave it a good stir. So after stirring this for a while, I made it cook for a little. So from here, my indomie was ready. Yes, this is it. As you can see, very delicious. So you can enjoy this as well. You can add your fried meat or your fried egg, sausage, anything of your choice to it for it to look very good. Thanks for watching. Please be here for more tutorials.